On today's episode of This, Not That, I'm going to be showing you why you should not be using blue acidic toilet bowl cleaner on your showers. First of all, if you're going to participate in the toilet bowl shower cleaning trend, let it be this toilet bowl cleaner, not this one. But let me show you a better option. For your shower grout, this is going to work faster and better than any other cleaner on your grout, and it comes with a perfect little scrub brush. Now, this is not shower floor, but it is grout surrounded by natural stone, and this grout cleaner will not etch, stain, damage the grout or the surrounding stone, plus it lifted that stain away like it was nothing. Now for the soap scum stains on your shower glass and stainless steel fixtures, use this soap scum remover. It's all safe ingredients and won't leave you crying at a ruined shower. Now, to not have your shower grout get so dirty in the future, you have a grout sealer or a shower sealer, both of which are safe on your grout and your stone. Now, please throw this away because it's not even safe for your toilets. Start using this toilet bowl cleaner, Grout Cleaner for your grout showers, soap scum for your shower, and seal it up so it's protected next time. We told you, we make cleaning easy, and our products don't ruin things.